In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts and typing indicators on LinkedIn. If you prefer to read and respond to messages on your own schedule without signaling that you've seen a message or are typing, this setting is for you. Disabling read receipts and typing indicators gives you a little more privacy and a calmer inbox experience, especially if you manage a lot of conversations. Start by opening the LinkedIn app and signing into your account. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This opens a side panel with several options. Go ahead and tap Settings to enter your account settings. Inside Settings, choose Data Privacy. This section groups together controls that affect how your information and activity are shared. Scroll until you reach the Messaging Experience area. Here, you'll see an option labeled Read Receipts and Typing Indicators. Tap that to open its controls. You'll notice a single toggle on the right. Switch it off to disable both features. Once this toggle is off, neither you nor the person you're chatting with will see red confirmations or the animated typing dots in LinkedIn messages. This change is tied to your account, so it carries over to your other devices when you're signed in. A quick note on what this means in practice. Without read receipts, your connections won't know exactly when you've opened a message, and without typing indicators, they won't see when you're composing a reply. For many people, that reduces pressure to respond instantly and helps you manage conversations on your timeline. On the flip side, it can make collaboration feel a bit less immediate, and some contacts may not realize you've already seen their note. That's a trade-off to consider, especially if you rely on quick back and forth for networking or time-sensitive messages. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same place and turn the toggle back on. Also, remember that this setting only affects read receipts and typing indicators. Other visibility options, like activity status, are controlled elsewhere in your privacy settings. And that's it. Open LinkedIn, go to your profile icon, tap Settings, head into Data Privacy, find Messaging Experience, select Read Receipts and Typing Indicators, and switch it off. Simple and effective. If this walkthrough helped, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more clear, time-saving tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.